Hello everyone, my name is Chris. I'm with CricketUsers.com. Today I'm just going to show you a demonstration of the Verizon HTC One Max on Cricket Wireless. Of course, this is GSM Cricket Wireless and not the former CDMA network supported Cricket Wireless. Now, I have my HTC One Max. Now, this is a device that did not wind up coming to AT&T, but you can actually use the Verizon version because LTE is a GSM technology. It is an unlocked device because when Verizon tried to secure more spectrum, the FCC said they need to keep those devices unlocked, and Verizon agreed. So we can actually put this on Cricket Wireless with no issues. I've placed my SIM card in there. Let's flip it back around. Now, if you are in the wrong mode and it can't find any networks with that SIM card in there, and we'll let you know that you have a foreign SIM card in there, it'll say change mode. No network found. Press yes. We'll go ahead and do that. So we've pressed yes. We're going to allow it to change networks. Now it'll support GSM. So we'll wait for our signal to come in. And we'll go ahead and take it off of Wi-Fi. Now, this device does not get the APNs pushed to it automatically. So one of the things we're going to want to do is go ahead and go into our settings. And then we'll go to mobile data. Now, you can manually change the network preference in case you don't get that request to change preferred networks for some reason. We have it in global mode. But to edit the APNs, you go to GSM/EMTS options. You'll see access point names. Let's go ahead and click one of these. Basically, every time you stick your SIM card in a new device, you will get a text message from Cricket Wireless. Let's go ahead and change the APN. We're going to change it to NDO. The name will be Internet. Then we'll go to MMSC, AOWireless.net, proxy.AOWireless.net, port 80, WAP 2.0, that's fine, MCC 310 and MMC 150. This information is just on here because I had it punched in before. Go to overflow and then save. Now, if you do take this device back to Verizon, you're probably going to have issues. The only thing you need to do to get it back on Verizon Wireless is stick the SIM card in there and say reset to default and verify that. So we'll wait for our data to reconnect. And now you can see that we're getting an HSPA signal. This device does support up to 14.4 megabits per second, but we're throttled at around 8 megabits per second with Cricket Wireless. We'll do a speed test of a Note 3 on AT&T at full speed versus an HSPA device. Now, this area doesn't have the best reception, doesn't have the best speeds. I've topped out really high on AT&T's network. We're talking about over 50 megabits per second before, but not in this area. Now, a lot of Verizon devices will also have problems sending MMS. Let's go ahead and try to send that MMS and see if it goes through. Now, it might actually get sent out, but we might have a problem receiving. Now we see right there it says downloading because I got sent an MMS, but we have this exclamation mark, and it will have issues trying to receive it. There's things you can do like edit the build prop and other tweaks that sometimes work on Verizon devices. Another way to get MMS to work is to download GoSMS. This seems to work quite frequently. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up GoSMS and just blaze through this install. We'll use it as a default application. And then we'll go into the settings send and receive. At the bottom you'll see SMS, MMS advanced settings. We'll go down to APN configuration and fill APN configuration manually. We'll set that to on. We'll enter our MMSC, http://mmsc.aowireless.net. Then we'll go to MMS proxy and enter proxy.aowireless.net. MMS port is 80. Okay, now let's go back and try to get an MMS. You can see that our MMS finally sent through GoSMS, received right there. And right there we were able to download the MMS that I sent to this device. So GoSMS is a good way to get MMS working on Verizon wireless devices that you're trying to use on a GSM carrier like Cricket Wireless. Now let's finish up with our speed test. Alright, and for our speed test portion of the video, 1, 2, 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy S5 on the left on AT&T, and in the middle we have the HTC One Max on Cricket Wireless, and on the right we have that Galaxy Note 3 on AT&T. You notice the ping time is about half that of Cricket. 94 milliseconds for the S5 and 94 milliseconds for the Note 3, while the HTC One Max had a ping time of 198 milliseconds. And it's not just because those are similar devices. I've noticed on every device that the ping time is a little bit slower for the Cricket Wireless device. Now, I had a download speed of 0.97 megabits per second compared to the AT&T devices, the S5 at 3.5 megabits per second, and the Note 3 at 3.08 megabits per second. Now that's expected. Those devices are on LTE. The download speeds in my area, again, they aren't the best here. And the HTC One Max is on HSPA because most Verizon devices will not support the LTE bands that Cricket Wireless / AT&T is using. However, if you use the S5 AT&T variant or the Note 3 AT&T variant on Cricket Wireless, you will be connected at LTE. So the second go around, it had a download speed of 1.42 megabits per second. Now I've done tests and I know that it can top out at 8 megabits per second. I just wanted to show you a fair comparison of two AT&T devices and one on Cricket Wireless. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's only through viewers like you that I'm actually able to keep an active Cricket Wireless account. So thanks for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.